everybody, Jen from Scrapping Under the Influence. I wanted to share an unboxing with you of some papers that I just got from Europe. This is the website. I believe it was out of France, maybe? I don't know. All I know is I ordered them, the shipping was not atrocious, and I got them in a little over a week, which blew me away. I expected to wait weeks and weeks to get these. So the paper itself is Papers for You, and I've got two different Wizarding Adventure and Wizarding Adventure 2. This is a craft kit, and this seemed like a better option than ordering all of the elements for this individually. My friend Janice had shared a tutorial she found on YouTube that was completely in French using one of these paper collections. I'm not sure which one they were actually using, if it was the first one or the second one, but I went searching and found them. And check out the packaging on this. Like, seriously, this is just kind of cool. This is definitely something like you could cut this up and actually use the packaging as well. So this is Wizarding Adventure 1. Let's get into this here because it was just, like I said, the tutorial for the project was absolutely stunning. And I was like, okay, I've got to find this paper. And we'll see if I can make heads or tails of the tutorial. So I've got craft fabric, and it's got kind of a paper backing on this, but look at this. And I mean, that's like a sizable piece there. Really pretty cool, honestly. I'm impressed. We've got die cuts. It looks like I had one that's fallen out and is in here somewhere. But we've got all the houses, wands, brooms, the sorting hat, just some different elements here. We've got Fox the Phoenix. We've got Hedwig. Just very cool and very heavy duty paper. Okay, so there was a 12 by 12 and a 6 by 12. Aha, there's my missing piece. It is one of the Hogwarts letters. Like really heavy paper. I'm really impressed with the quality of the paper here. So these are single-sided. Oh, we've got another little piece that fell out of that. So these are single-sided, which is not a bad thing for sure, because then at least you're not stuck trying to decide which side of the paper you want to use. Quite honestly. I noticed that I'd ordered a Stamperia collection here, I don't know, about a month or so ago, that it gave you an option for single-sided paper, which I absolutely jumped on. So that was just kind of interesting. So yeah, we've got several papers here with the 6 by 12, so 10 of them here for that. And then we've got two vellum sheets that are really nice. Okay, so this company, this Papers for You, is Spanish, apparently. Okay, very cool. With the golden snitch and the suitcases, and this is a nice heavy vellum for that one. And we've got another one with books that is another nice heavy vellum. This must have been what it was talking about on the back. So, like on the packaging, it was 14 12 by 12 double-sided papers, 10 6 by 12, 2 12 by 12 fabric texture papers, the die cut kit, and the decor binding fabric. So this has got to be the linen texture, fabric texture paper. So that's really neat, and it's really heavy. I don't know, that's very interesting. And then we've got the 12 by 12 papers. So we've got the owls and books on that side. We've got a neat kind of some arches and the cauldrons. and then just a good, kind of basic background paper. We've got the houses. We've got the sorting hat and the glasses. We've got Fox again, and just a good neutral one. We've got the owls with the letters. Oh, that's so pretty. And again on the back. And then this one here is more, looks to me kind of something you could use as a cut apart page, because you could cut out the tickets and you could cut out these panels here and then still have those cute with the books, and then like a border strip, kind of like big border strip on the back with the potions. And then here we've got the letters coming out of the chimney, and we've got Hedwig, and we've got some runes. And then, because this was the page that she was using on the front of the book, that I just thought was absolutely beautiful. The way she'd done it, she did it like with some acetate, so it was, a little bit more dimensional. We've got the houses again. We've got Quidditch. And again, another nice neutral one. We've got some wands and the time turner and some wands again. We've got the mirror and a desk. And I mean, it's got all kinds of stuff. So like the goblet of fire, and just really a neat collection. Pieces here that we can fussy cut. Like I said, unless I can figure out her tutorial, I have no idea what I'm going to do with this, but it was just really a neat paper that I just felt like I needed to have. And then like portraits and pieces that you could cut out. And then that's just our cover sheet. So overall, I'm really impressed with this. This is something really different than you see from the US companies. And of course, yeah, so that's the first one. So let me actually, whoops, grab this again and set that back in here, just so I keep them separate in case I think I need to order some more of either one of them. And this one, same thing. We've got our 12 by 12 papers, 6 by 10, the fabric texture, the die cuts, and the binding fabric. And again, we're in this really neat little box that this comes in. And I want to say, I'm trying to think what I paid. It was not bad. I think I paid maybe with shipping like $65, I want to say. It wasn't terrible. Like, I was shocked price wise, like that it was how reasonable it was, honestly. And especially for what I ended up with here. It's not half bad. Okay. So this is Wizarding Adventure 2. Move that out of the way. So again, we've got the fabric, and this one we've just got kind of a plaid, like chessboard pattern there. Beautiful die cuts again. This time we've got Hogwarts Express, we've got the Weasley's car, Harry's glasses, we've got a mandrake. Just really cool. Okay, and that's another little piece from that. So let's look at our 6 by 12. Honestly, I think this one's almost better than the first one. So we've got Hogwarts with Hedwig, got that checkerboard, some elements here that you could fussy cut. So Hogwarts Express and the ticket and the Weasley's car. And then again, we've got Hedwig here and the floating candles and some spell books. Just a good background paper there. The herbology lab with the mandrake. We've got the toad there, Neville's toad. Trevor. I think his name's Trevor. It's been a while since I've read the books. Yeah, Trevor. We've got some keys, and then we've got our cover sheet. Let's let's see here. The vellum sheets, first off, we've got the sorting hat and the glasses. And then we've got the house crests and like the Marauders map kind of background going on there. So for our, oh, there must be two of those there because this doesn't feel as thick, so there must have been two there. So this is the fabric textured paper. I really like that. That's neat. And then we've got our cover sheet again on the 12 by 12. So we've got Hogwarts and Hedwig and the chessboard and, you know, the bigger version of that little 6 by 12 of that. We've got pieces we can fussy cut here. And honestly, these two are going to combine together really, really nicely. We've got suit of armor. We've got Hedwig, Harry's glasses, sorting hat again, and then the mandrake. That's just too cool. And then we've got the house banners and the Birdie Bots every flavor beans and a chocolate frog in this case. And then we've got it's got to be Hermione's cat, and why can't I think of her name? Crookshanks? I think that sounds right for some reason. We've got the keys that are floating. We've got potion books again. And again, we've got another broom and a house cup and Quidditch stuff and more potions and some more elements that could be cut apart and more cut apart elements here. Really some neat borders on here. And then one more sheet of cut aparts. And then just our other half of our cover sheet. So that is it. The paper company is Papers for You. I ordered it from a website called Craftelier. I'm not sure how to say that. I'm probably butchering it. I apologize. But honestly, super fast shipping, reasonable price for it coming from Europe. So yeah, it was just kind of awesome. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.